Kani kadiga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagamenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Hakabede bat ka jingya, lai ki jong ki kendon, hakaban yakon bat khanglat na ka jing sapriang ukunyang jing pang COVID-19, klem da boran tiru kat kum ki kendon jong ka sarkar pedeng, nakaliang usembon menteri rangba kani ke jela uba prestun tensong ulaong. Ba amdai ba ka sarkar Meghalaya kaile persya ya ka sarkar pedeng. Handai kani kadai shibenta jong ka jing yakon ya ukunyang jing pang COVID-19. Uba prestun tensong ulapan pau ba ka sarkar pedeng ru kan song thu hi ya kani ba ki jela kila ban penmi laki jong ki kendon kat kum ka jinglong jingman halaki jong ki jela ha ka jing yakon ya ukunyang jing pang COVID-19.
We respect the directive of the Ministry of Home Affairs. And at the same time, why we did this, it is not that we are going against the directive, against the notification of the Home Ministry. What I'm telling you, I keep telling you, we have to put additional restriction. We have to put additional regulations, and this is done during the fighting of the COVID-19. And as I said to you, why should you make an issue? Every state, they keep fighting the COVID-19. So where is the question of going against the notification of the Home Ministry? We don't. We do respect. But as I said to you, at the same time, yesterday I told you, see, safety of the state of Meghalaya is supreme than anything else. And I'm sure even the Ministry of Home Affairs, they understand that. And every state they are fighting, every state they do have their separate regulations in the respective state, depending upon the situation of the COVID-19. To work out the modalities, how to go about it, it is up to them. But in the next review meeting, we will discuss about this.